Hey all, good morning. How you all have been? Today I'll make the simple white potato curry, which is very tasty and very easy to prepare, which is known as Shada Aloo Chachuri in Bengali. This combination goes very well with luchi, which is known as puri, and any kind of kachori, and which is known as kochuri in Bengali. I have kept the turmeric bottle by mistake, but I'll not be using turmeric in this recipe since it's a white potato curry. I love cooking with less masalas. People who are following me from a long time, you all know that none of my recipes have got a lot of masalas in it. I always feel that it's an art when you put less masalas and your food is tasty. Because when we put a lot of masala, of course the food will be tasty. But if you put a less masala and then the food is tasty, that means it's an art of cooking. Give it a try and let me know how you all like the taste of this recipe. Today we will be having this recipe with green peas kachori. But I have not prepared the green peas kachori. I have bought the green peas kachori from a brand called Luchi Babu, which I have got their, and I've seen their ad on Facebook and I've ordered from them. And Luchi Babu is a brand who makes luchi and kachoris. And it is basically all the, Bengali puris and kachoris is what they prepare. And these all are without preservatives. So that's the reason I always like food which is like organic and with no preservatives. So this particular kachori that I've got from Luchi Babu is without any preservatives. Since luchi and kachoris are all deep fried, hence we prefer not to have it on a regular basis. But yes, once in a while, it is Joy's favorite, and I also love, having it once in a while. The first thing when I get up comes into my mind is what will be the breakfast for today and what should I give Joy in his tiffin if he's going to office. So at times I even think that one day in advance that I keep asking him what do you want to have it in the morning. He often says, let's wait for the morning and then we can decide. Let me know in the comment section how many of you think like the way I do. Initially, when I used to do my voiceover on my videos, I used to be very careful what should I say or not. But nowadays, it has become so comfortable, and you all have become a part of my YouTube family. So I always like to share my daily things, my day-to-day life problems, and everything with you all. And I love doing that. Now the white potato curry is ready, and I will fry the kachoris right now. This video is not sponsored by Luchi Babu, but since I'm so happy with their Luchi, that is puri and kachoris, that I'm sharing it with all of you. I also wanted to know from all of you that what do you all do with this deep fried oil? Do you all keep it or reuse it in the next puris or in the next few cookings? How you all use it? Whenever we use some oil for deep frying of anything, it can be deep frying a fish fry, it can be deep frying puri, kachoris, anything. The moment the frying is done, it is very harmful if we consume the oil for the next time. What I do is I'm going to show you all today how I purify this oil so that I can reuse it later on and hope it will be very useful for you because whenever I fry any kind of puris or kachores, what I do is I put a purify sachet in the oil. The moment I put the purify sachet, when the oil is absolutely hot, just right after the cooking, I dip the sachet and I keep it for 2 to 3 hours till the time the oil is cooled down. The moment it is cooled down, when I take the sachet, it turns yellow color and it absorbs all the harmful chemicals from the oil. And then I throw the sachet and take out the oil from the top in a glass container. And the remaining oil down where the residues are there, I normally throw it. So now the puris are ready to serve and Joy is extremely hungry.
So, Joy, how is the food? Your favorite kachori is there.
I'm just keeping my health aside for the day. Green peas kachori, one of the favorites. Can't wait to have it fully. Thank you so much.
So enjoy your lunch.
We did a late breakfast, hence we skipped the lunch, and our breakfast has become our lunch today. And this video is not sponsored by Purify, but since I'm using it and it is very helpful to use Purify on the deep fried oil, hence I wanted to share these tips with all of you. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know about my recent shopping. And now you all can see the white sachet has turned this yellow. So these are all harmful chemicals. Now I'll throw this sachet and take out the clean oil from top.
Good evening, everyone. So, I'll be sharing my recent purchase from Nastasia. So, stay tuned.
Nastasia is one of my most favorite crockery brands, and I'm buying crockeries from them from last few years, and I'm extremely satisfied with their design and color. So this is the new mandala collection which has come, and I simply loved it. I loved it so much that I've already placed another order of the same sets because I first wanted to see, and hence I ordered one each. So again, I ordered the second set because I loved it so much. I used to love mandala designs a lot because it is always with a lot of colors, but I never thought that it will look so good on crockeries. But this time, I am so happy with this new design and new crockeries of Pistachio. So that's all for today now. I will be back with a new video soon. Bye.